Morning guys, YouTube people, world, everybody. This video is gonna go out to one of my subscribers. I think he subscribed. His name is Mick O'Leary. I think that's how you say it, Mick O'Leary. Anyway, he always comments on the Audi stuff. So he actually recommended some stuff for me to purchase for the Audi. Stuff that he's had, stuff that I bought. I think I probably used my last can. Yeah, I don't see any more cans, which means I'm probably gonna get some more cans. But basically, it's DEF treatment, diesel treatment for the Audi. And let's see if I can go to some of his links. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go. But anyway, he recommended getting this filter. It's an AEM dry flow air filter. So it's a dry filter. I think because I commented that I don't want to use wet filters. I don't really like wet filters. I like using OEM filters if I could. And yeah, so he recommended that filter, and I think what we're going to do is try to pop it in, see how easy, how hard it is. He also did say that there was a baffle in this. I just got home. So everything is burning hot. Oh man, that thing's on fire. Good thing I got man hands. Apparently it's got a leak. It's not a leak, it's just a whatever it is. Forgot to clean it when I probably spilt a little bit of oil in here. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's see if we can do this while holding the camera. So I know I have a video out there of doing this, and it takes a long time, or it was kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah, here's my filter, pretty dirty. So let me see something real quick, because it smells. Yeah, I'm just looking in here. Anyway, I'm assuming there's a baffle in there. Not sure if he's talking about this little diverter or this F15. Okay. I don't know why that's in there. But yeah, I'm not seeing anything in here. Just see something real quick. I wonder if mine's supposed to be like that, or I wonder if that piece is out for a reason. It's almost like my little tab that's down there broke. But I'm all the way, stuck my hand all the way in that hose. That goes all the way to the front, which is hidden by everything, which don't make sense. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not really going to mess with it. I kind of wonder if this is what he's talking about. This piece. Just a little diverter that sends the air, or unless my baffle was right here, there is a piece here that's not there. I just touched the mass airflow sensor, so that's great. Oh, I didn't touch anything that important. So I think he might be talking about this. I think I'm gonna take this off. It's kind of a little diverter. Let me know if this is what it is. If that baffle thing is what you're talking about. If it's not, and you would say to put that back in, just let me know. I'll put it back in. But this bugs me. I think my little tabs, yeah, my little tabs on the bottom are broken. Little tabs. This air box sits down into two little pockets. They're broken on the air filter. So anyway, let me open up this air filter right here. And yeah, it's hot. It's hot already. So we'll be back in a second. Alright, so here we go. You get the filter. This looks oiled, but it's not oiled. I'm assuming it's a releasing agent for the mold for this material. You know, when they mold it, they stick the filter in there and then they mold this rubber silicone junk or whatever. So they probably spray the mold with some releasing agent, and then it's easier for this filter whole thing to come out of the mold. You get this sticker right here. It says do not oil, do not discard. So basically you just clean it. I'll probably stick the filter or that sticker, I don't know, I'll probably stick it on this box maybe. Right there. They give you a web sticker, WEV, I don't know why. Oh, it's AEM. Anyway, so here's the part number. It's 28-20857. Made in America, right there. This one was made May 13, 2021, so it probably has some type of virus on it. So anyway, this is the applications for latest whatever. You can go on their website and look up, because you know it goes to 19. They might work on 2020s and stuff. So from 2010 to 2019, Volkswagen Touareg, 2010 to 18, Porsche Cayenne 3.0, 07 to 18, Cayenne 3.6, 07 to 18, Porsche Cayenne 4.8, 03 to 17, Volkswagen Touareg 3 liter, 05 to 17, Volkswagen Touareg 3.6, 06 to 15, Audi Q7 3 liter, 06 to 15, Audi Q7 3.6 liter. Anyway, so Classico, whatever that is, maybe for Mexico. The Touareg, again, Audi Q7, 06 to 14, so I'm assuming that's for different countries. 12 to 14, Porsche 4.2, Volkswagen Touareg 13, 3.6 liter. Range Rover, Land Rover, Audi, Volkswagen, Land Rover, Range Rover. Anyway, go on their website, check it out. It's not sponsored. Actually, it is sponsored. It's sponsored by me, again, because I sponsor all my videos. Alright guys, so hopefully it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully it's a lot easier to put in than one of those stupid filters, because those filters fit in there so tight that like you have to bow it. You have to bow it. I think that's how it goes. Seems to fit. Let's drop this in. Hold on. Give me a second. I wonder what that plug is for. F18. F15. Oh. Someone accidentally dropped it in there. So, you gotta get these tabs lined up down here in the bottom. Man, that's so much easier than this one of these stupid paper filters. The paper filter, yeah, oh man, oh that's nice. Good job, Mick. Good job, Mick. Right on, Mick. Alright, that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna clean that junk with a good rag. I could put that sticker in there, I think. Maybe I'll put it in there. Whew, I'm going to clean it with a little bit of cleaner though. And, oh yeah. Looks factory. So anyway, he also, he recommended, I can't remember what the stuff's called. Let me see what we got here. Bear with me a second. He messaged me a bunch of links to a bunch of, I can't remember the... Alright guys, I found the links. So it's liquid moly. This is particulate filter protector. I just ran this in my car on my last trip. And I don't know if the car was regenning or not. But it wasn't rolling coal. I guess it was kind of like rolling coal, but it was clean. It was kind of a grayish color. And when I got on the freeway, it just was dumping stuff out. So I'm assuming it was regenning. If it wasn't regenning, then it was that stuff cleaning it out. So yeah, he recommends this, which I also recommend that. And if you go to this Autohaus, AUTOHAUSAZ, wait, it won't focus. Anyway, Autohaus AZ. I'll put a link. I guess I'll put a link in the description for like maybe one of these products, and you can go on there. But yeah, I do use that. Let's see, what else did he recommend? This liquid moly diesel high test super diesel additive. I did use that. I bought 2 cans of each of these a while back, right after I did the whole intake manifold, EGR cleaner, all that stuff. Cleaned all the EGR stuff. Diesel purge, I used some of this on the Mercedes in the back. It cleaned that Mercedes up pretty good. I just dumped that in the fuel filter. Liquid moly engine oil additive. I haven't used this. Maybe I'll look into that. I think I'm going to go on this website and buy some stuff again. But here's the oil that he uses. I'm not using this oil. This is the Castrol Edge 5W30 LL synthetic. It's recommended the 50700, whatever it is. But yeah, fuel filter, it's the same fuel filter I use, a Moly fuel filter. I just changed it in Colorado, probably maybe about 10,000 miles, cabin filter. I did buy one of these about 2 months ago or a month ago and changed it. So anyway guys, just want to do a shout out to Mick O'Leary. Thank you for recommending all that stuff. I do use that stuff. As you see, I got some liquid moly engine flush. I'm not going to use this in the Audi because I don't know. I'm just not. I'm going to use this in that truck because that truck's whatever. But I mainly bought this for the Mercedes. So I'm going to use a can in the Mercedes and a can in that truck. You could buy some of this stuff from that Autohaus AZ. I bought that from them. What I mainly went on there for was gear oil, full synthetic gear oil. This is a GL5, so it won't work in my kid's truck, but whatever. Anyway guys, that's it. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And you guys see something, you recommend it, let me know. I'll look into it. If I feel like trying it out, I'll try it. Like I did for Mick. He recommended this air filter and to remove this little, I hope that's what he's talking about. If it's not, let me know. I'm sure he'll let me know. But anyway, yeah, dry flow air filter AEM. I'm gonna check it out. Hopefully he says I'll notice a big difference, so I'm pretty sure I will, because these paper air filters are pretty restrictive. So alright guys, I gotta do some laundry. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later.